5 world-famous dishes from Europe you got to try. Europe is a paradise for food lovers, offering some of the most iconic and mouth-watering dishes in the world. From rich, creamy pasta to crispy, golden pastries. Every bite tells a story of tradition, culture, and history. In this video, we take you on a flavorful journey across 5 European countries, discovering dishes that are not just famous but truly unforgettable. Get ready to explore the taste of Italy, France, Spain, Germany, and Greece. Whether you're a traveler, a foodie, or someone who just loves to explore new flavors, this is your ultimate food guide. So grab a seat and let's dive into 5 world-famous dishes you absolutely must try when visiting Europe. Italy, Pasta Carbonara. Our first stop is Italy, home to one of the most beloved pasta dishes, pasta carbonara. Originating from Rome, this simple yet rich dish features al dente spaghetti coated in a velvety sauce made of eggs, pecorino romano cheese, pancetta, and black pepper. Unlike popular belief, traditional carbonara doesn't use cream. Instead, the heat from the pasta creates a creamy texture naturally. The smoky pancetta adds a savory crunch, while the cheese brings a sharp, salty kick. Each bite is an explosion of flavors that perfectly represents Italian cuisine. If you're visiting Rome, make sure to try this authentic dish at a local trattoria for a true taste of Italy. France, Croissant. Next, we travel to France, where the croissant reigns supreme. This buttery, flaky pastry is a breakfast staple, enjoyed with coffee or hot chocolate, made from layers of dough and butter, carefully folded and rested. Croissants achieve their signature airy texture through a process called lamination. When baked to perfection, the outside is golden and crisp, while the inside remains soft and delicate. The first bite delivers a satisfying crunch, followed by the rich, buttery flavor that melts in your mouth. Whether enjoyed plain, filled with chocolate, or spread with jam, the French croissant is an absolute must-try when visiting Paris or any bakery in France. Spain, paella. Germany, Bratwurst. Germany is known for its sausages, and the Bratwurst is a must-try. This flavorful sausage, typically made from pork, beef, or veal, is seasoned with nutmeg, coriander, and other spices before being grilled to perfection. Serve in a crispy bread roll with mustard or sauerkraut. Bratwurst is a favorite street food across Germany, whether you're at a Christmas market in Berlin or a beer garden in Bavaria. This dish is a true representation of German cuisine. Pair it with a cold beer for an authentic German experience. Greece moussaka. Our final stop takes us to Greece, where we discover the rich and comforting moussaka. This layered dish consists of tender eggplant, flavorful ground lamb or beef, and a smooth bechamel sauce that bakes into a golden, cheesy crust. The combination of Mediterranean spices, juicy tomatoes, and creamy sauce makes every bite a perfect harmony of flavors. Moussaka is a staple in Greek households and is best enjoyed at a seaside taverna with a view of the Aegean Sea. And that concludes our delicious journey through Europe's most famous dishes. From the creamy carbonara of Italy to the flaky croissants of France, the vibrant paella of Spain, the smoky bratwurst of Germany, and the rich moussaka of Greece, these dishes are a must-try for every traveler. Food is more than just a meal. It's a gateway to culture, history, and tradition. Have you tried any of these dishes before? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel with a Plan for more incredible travel content. See you in the next adventure. Bon appetit!